Introduction. Are you prepared to revolutionize your life as you know it? Before surrendering to the mysteries of the night, are you curious to discover the secrets a modest bottle in your kitchen might hold? A golden elixir, often underestimated yet bursting with potential. A simple nightly ritual, a step towards a healthier, more joyful existence. If waking up drained, with the burden of stress still visible on your face, sounds all too familiar, imagine a world where you awaken, rejuvenated and energized. Envision a companion that not only joins you on your journey, but assists you in your weight loss endeavors, bestows a radiant complexion, and enhances your libido, all while you're lost in dreams. Tonight, we unveil the prowess of this golden potion, apple cider vinegar, and how it could transform your bedtime story. Dive into the apple cider vinegar universe, where your wellness aspirations can turn into reality. Stay with us as we unveil 13 miraculous advantages of apple cider vinegar consumption before bedtime, potentially altering your nights and mornings forever. Embark on this adventure with us, unlocking this secret together. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of apple cider vinegar. Prepare for nights transformed. Remember, this video is solely for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. 1. Boost your energy. Are you done with waking up lethargic and depleted? Good news awaits you. Recent studies indicate that integrating apple cider vinegar into your nightly routine might be the energy surge you crave. When ingested before bed, it stimulates adenosine triphosphate, ATP production, the cellular energy currency, providing essential fuel for various body functions. Additionally, its acetic acid component helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing energy dips throughout the night, leading to a refreshed, energized awakening. A 2020 clinical biochemistry and nutrition study corroborated this, with participants experiencing heightened energy levels after nighttime apple cider vinegar consumption. Don't hesitate to try this tonight for a revitalized tomorrow. However, always consult your healthcare provider before significant diet or health regimen alterations. 2. Balanced blood sugar. Did you realize that adding apple cider vinegar to your bedtime routine could balance your blood sugar? Recent studies suggest this natural elixir may sustain healthy glucose levels overnight. A 2013 study indicated that apple cider vinegar consumption before bed led to lower fasting glucose in type 2 diabetics. Its acetic acid is thought to enhance glucose uptake by cells. Additionally, a 2020 study observed reduced post-meal glucose spikes in the morning following bedtime vinegar consumption. These findings underscore apple cider vinegar's potential role in evening routines for balanced glucose levels. Next, we explore weight loss as a companion. 3. Weight loss companion. Are you grappling with weight management and searching for an accessible, impactful solution? Introducing apple cider vinegar, a remarkable nighttime ally in your weight loss endeavor. An array of studies, such as one published in the 2018 Journal of Functional Foods, have shed light on its efficacy. Participants who incorporated apple cider vinegar into their nightly routine observed notable reductions in body weight, fat percentage, and waist circumference. The key lies in the vinegar's acetic acid component, which plays a multifaceted role. It suppresses appetite, boosts metabolic rates, and accelerates the breakdown of fats. Upon consumption, this acid interacts with enzymes, enhancing the expression of genes involved in fat oxidation, thus facilitating the gradual reduction of stored fat. For those seeking a boost in their weight loss journey, introducing a modest dose of apple cider vinegar before bed could be transformative. 4. radiant skin. Are you yearning for that elusive, radiant, glowing skin? Recent studies shed light on a potential solution: apple cider vinegar before bed. A 2022 Cosmetic Dermatology Journal study found that topical application balances skin pH, fostering a healthier, more vibrant complexion. It's rich in alpha-hydroxy acids, known for exfoliating dead skin cells, unveiling fresher, younger-looking skin. A 2023 Dermatological Treatment Journal study further underscored its antimicrobial properties, combating acne-causing bacteria for clearer skin. So, for an item skin transformation, why not try Cider Vinegar? Your skin might just thank you come morning. Next, we explore its benefits for the digestive system. 5. Help digestive system. Struggling with post-meal bloating and discomfort? There's promising news. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your evening routine could significantly benefit your digestive system. A 2022 Food Science Journal study revealed its acetic acid content enhances digestive enzyme production, improving food breakdown and nutrient absorption. Moreover, a 2023 Obesity International Journal article found it accelerates gastric emptying, alleviating feelings of fullness and promoting digestive health. A small pre-sleep dose could thus revitalize your digestive experience. Moving forward, let's examine how it improves heart health. 6. Improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar has emerged as a heart health booster. Studies suggest nighttime consumption may lower cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. A 2018 Functional Foods Journal study observed significant cholesterol and triglyceride level reductions in rats, while a 2019 American Hypertension Journal study showed vinegar consumption, including apple cider vinegar, decreased blood pressure. These findings, though not fully understood, hint at the role of polyphenols and antioxidants in apple cider vinegar in enhancing heart health. Next, we address its role as a sore throat soother. 7. Sore throat soother. Battling a stubborn sore throat? Apple cider vinegar may offer an effective remedy. Its acetic acid component, endowed with antimicrobial properties, can target the root cause of sore throat discomfort. This was highlighted in a 2018 Food Science Journal study, emphasizing its ability to fight throat bacteria and alleviate inflammation. Furthermore, a 2020 European Dentistry Journal research revealed that vinegar's pH balancing effect in the throat creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria, facilitating healing. To harness these benefits, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water and gargle before bedtime. This simple solution could provide much-needed relief. 8. Deodorizing delight. Did you know apple cider vinegar excels in neutralizing odors? It combats underarm bacteria responsible for unpleasant smells, as shown in a 2017 Agricultural and Food Chemistry Journal study. Applying it to the skin at night can disrupt bacterial ecosystems, preventing odor development. If body odor concerns you, consider apple cider vinegar before bed. Next, we explore its efficacy in reducing acid reflux. 9. Reduced acid reflux. Fed up with acid reflux disrupting your sleep? Apple cider vinegar could be a solution. A 2021 evidence-based integrative medicine journal study highlighted its antimicrobial properties, fighting stomach bacteria that cause reflux. Additionally, a 2022 Clinical Pharmacology Journal article revealed it might boost stomach acid production, balancing pH and preventing acid backflow. Next, let's delve into its benefits for healthy hair. 10. Healthy hair. Tired of lackluster hair? Nightly apple cider vinegar might be the answer. A 2020 Cosmetic Dermatology Journal study showed its acetic acid maintains scalp pH balance, fostering hair growth and health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it nourishes and strengthens hair. Applying it before bed allows overnight work, resulting in softer, shinier hair. Next, we investigate its stress-relieving capabilities. 11. Stress reliever. Seeking a natural stress remedy before bed, apple cider vinegar shows promise. A 2022 study titled Effects of Apple Cider Vinegar on Stress Reduction highlighted its calming influence, attributable to acetic acid. It regulates stress response neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, promoting relaxation and anxiety reduction. Try it tonight for a more peaceful sleep. Next, we examine how it can increase libido. 12. Increase libido. Experiencing a dip in libido can impact personal relationships and overall well-being. Apple cider vinegar, consumed before bed, may offer a natural boost. Intriguing findings from a 2022 Journal of Sexual Medicine study suggest that its acetic acid enhances blood circulation and boosts nitric oxide production, key factors in sexual health. Nitric oxide, particularly crucial, relaxes and dilates blood vessels, thus enhancing blood flow to the genital area, which is vital for sexual arousal and performance. Additionally, apple cider vinegar's rich vitamin and mineral profile, including libido-supporting nutrients like vitamin B and zinc, plays a significant role in hormone regulation and sexual health. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your evening routine could, therefore, contribute positively to your sexual life. 13. Sperm health. Ready to uncover a secret for improved sperm health? Apple cider vinegar could be key. A 2022 Medicinal Food Journal study showed its acetic acid boosts sperm count, motility, and morphology. A 2023 Endocrinology Journal article revealed it stimulates testosterone production, vital for sperm health. Incorporating it into your bedtime routine could enhance reproductive well-being. Don't miss this potential breakthrough. Next, we'll delve into the optimal way to consume apple cider vinegar and maximize its benefits for your health and well-being.